Hi everyone, hope you all are fine. Today I will be talking about the best free VPN for PC. So let's jump into the video. First of all, let's open your Chrome browser. Inside the Chrome browser, search your Chrome Web Store. Okay. Click on this Chrome Web Store. I'll be talking about the Touch VPN. It's one of the best VPN service out there because it's completely free without any cost. Okay. Search here Touch VPN. The first one you can see Touch VPN secure and unlimited VPN proxy. Click on this. Why I've chosen this VPN? Because there are two main reasons. First reason is anonymity, protecting your privacy online. This VPN will hide your own IP address and nearly difficult anyone to track your online activities. And the second reason is if some sites or apps are blocked in your region, so by connecting to another region, like you hide your own IP and pretend yourself to be in another location where you can access your block websites or apps. Okay, click on this add to Chrome option. Now click on add extensions. Okay, Touch VPN makes both of these cards incredibly easy. It's super simple to use. You just have to click on add to Chrome and that's it. Almost process is complete. Now click on the new tab where we will use this VPN. What you have to do here, you can see the option of extension. Click on this. Click on Touch VPN. Okay, the extension we have added to Chrome. Here you can select the servers of your choice, or you can just click on connect of best choice for preferable speed. Okay, Touch VPN offers unlimited bandwidth and is completely free. As you have tried, there is no data limit and there is no cost. Okay, so now let me show you my IP address now. See, Netherlands, it's changed. Now here you can see it started and it will not stop until you stop it by yourself. There is no time limit, there is no data limit, and it's very decent VPN. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. For stopping this, just click on extension and click on stop. That's it. It's one of the best VPN. Like there is no comparison in speed. It gives the proper speed as well. Okay, so that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful and give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and for daily videos. Thank you and see you in the next video.